We are here to see that the beautiful place, and myself is Rahul. This is the hard afternoon time. We are here to explore these beautiful sites in Delhi. That's name we called it the Khuni Darwaja, Bloody Gate. Now you can see that this is the road which goes towards from the ITO, and it is going towards the old part of the city. Now you can see that this is going from here to the old part of the city. Now let me explain you about this place. This is very different type of the monument, and monument is just like that the part that you can see that this is also the hidden site. Sometimes people called it this site itself is like having some problems, like at the night time there is some viewers like to tell you about this gate. They say that sometime they will see some horrible sounds from this place. Let me explain you about the history of this place. If you know about little bit history, this is the last Mughal emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar II. He has two sons, and on that time the British was ruling from the Red Fort. This is the very different monument. That's the place name we called it the Khuni Darwaja. I am coming on this point. You can see that the arch, the windows open there, and this is the gate. This gate were used by the British on that time for assassination of the two young sons of Bahadur Shah Jafar on this side. So this is the name of this gate. We called it Bloody Gate. But this gate is not open for the public. Nobody can enter inside in this gate. Let me explain you about this very close view. You can see that the gate from here. What I am explaining to you, this part, you see that the depth of the gate, which is very dark because of the road was built in the past time. So when the road was built, so you can see this part is just like that the use for the killing of the two sons by the British on this side. So after that, the ruined history of the Islamic people, the Mughal Empire, that was over from this gate. This is the history is written over here, which you can see that Captain Hudson is the Murshid Mughal Reis Sultan Mirza Abu Karam Sonu or Rajkumar ko Humayun Akbar Dinang 11 September around 1857. 1857, this was the gate was used for killing like two sons of the Bahadur Shah Jafar on this place. So people called it this place like as a Khuni Darwaja, Bloody Gate. You can see that the depth of this gate, the beautiful gate on this place, and it's all built with the sandstone, maroon color of sandstone, beautiful color combination. You can see that, and it's all used with that time. But now this gate is closed for the visitors, for the public, because this is on the road. But I'm explaining you, just exploring you. This is the last Mughal dynasty was over from this place. And this is the place name we called, again I'm telling to you, Khuni Darwaja, close to the ITO. And there are the Delhi gate also after this gate. And this is the gate like that, what we are seeing on the area towards that side on the other end. There you will see there is another palace that is built in the 1356 century, Firoz Shah Tughlaq dynasty. So I'm just giving you the sound knowledge about this place. Thank you very much for watching my views, watching my video. And this is the gate my view like Delhi travel RV. If you like, you can share, you can subscribe, you can see some more videos. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to all of you. Thank you.